Sri Ahmed bin Abdullah Balala garu.
I, Ahmed bin Abdullah Balala, having been elected a member of the Legislative Assembly, do solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India, as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, and that I will faithfully discharge duty upon which I am about to enter. I, Ahmed bin Abdullah Balala, member of Telangana Legislative Assembly, do solemnly affirm that I shall abide by the follow of the rules, observe the integrity and respect the convention of the House.
Sri Aleti Maheshwaredi garu. Sri Anil Jadhav garu.